So today we are going to learn about the ShrinkWrap modifier. With this modifier, we can wrap any shape to the other shape. So we have this cube. I'm going to wrap it to this sphere. So first I need to reposition it. So both the models should be in the same position. After that, you have to select the model, which one you want to wrap. Then go to the add modifier, then deform, then hit on the shrink wrap. Then from here, the target section, you need to choose a model in which model you want to wrap. So the target model, I'm going to select it by that. I'm going to select here the sphere. As you can see, it's wrapped already. After that, just apply it. Then you can see the both shapes are same. So I'm going to try with another model. So this time I'm going to take a cylinder, and this time I'm going to wrap this sphere. So first I have to select the sphere, then go to the add modifier, deform, then you have to hit on the shrink wrap. Then this time the target model, I'm going to choose a cylinder. Just apply it. Yeah, as you can see that it's wrapped already. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box.